Welcome to our YouTube channel Market Master Opinion. In this episode, we will discuss about Yes Bank. Share price of this bank fall from peak to nearly touch bottom. On 4th May 2018, it was quoting rupees 345. On 3rd May 2019, it was quoting rupees 175. On 4th May 2020, share price of Yes Bank hovering around rupees 27. Question is, investors searching below rupees 50 price share to invest, is Yes Bank right choice at this price? Before starting, we request you kindly subscribe our channel. Point number 1. Every day Yes Bank share traded, it is fully liquid stock. Selling and buying of Yes Bank share has no problem as it is trading with large volume regularly. So liquidity of Yes Bank share absolutely normal, which is good for a listed company. Point number 2. Moving average. Moving average of Yes Bank is bearish. Technical indicator is also bearish. But deliverable quantity to trade quantity improved to 41.67%. This indicates investor buying this stock. From this, we cannot come to a conclusion that investors are buying for long-term investment or short-term investment. Improved deliverable quantity indicating investors are buying this stock and taking delivery. Increased deliverable quantity is a positive signal for any listed company. It indicates increase of investor interest in this particular stock. Point number 3. Support level. Support level very important for further increase of Yes Bank share price. If support level of rupees 29.80 break, chances are bright to cross rupees 33 level for this share within few days. On 6th May 2020, Yes Bank quarterly result will be announced. This will also impact share price movement. On 18th March 2020, Yes Bank share price was quoting at rupees 37. In this level, many banks sold large volume of share as per their permissible limit. As they have procured Yes Bank share at rupees 10, this has dragged share price of Yes Bank abruptly. Point number 4. The Board of Directors, via their resolution dated May 1, 2020, appointed Neeraj Dhawan as the Chief Risk Officer for a period of 3 years. He has 29 years of experience in financial service and banking industry. Board of Directors of Yes Bank taking necessary steps to improve bank performance. It may take some time to revive the bank. People at the helm of this bank trying to reorganize the bank, and all steps are in right direction. It will take few years to regain its image and confidence among depositor as well as investor. Right now, bank is having sufficient fund to carry out their business. This will reflect in their profitability within 24 months. This is purely our assumption, not forecast. It seems price of Yes Bank slowly coming to a stable position and improving gradually. In this price, risk factor is very limited. Upward movement of Yes Bank share price seems to be brightening. Investor who had taken risks by purchasing share of Satyam Computer when it crashed and hold for a longer period, they gain heavily. So if you have guts to take risks, chances are there in due course you will get rewarded of taking this risk. Right now, share price of Yes Bank very attractive. Risk-taking investor will gain in future if they take the risks now. In this episode, we have expressed our views only. Investment decision is completely yours. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. We will be highly grateful to have your precious comment. We are very fortunate as you have watched our video. Thanks a lot for watching.